Remember the other day I spoke about Metapixel and how it allows you as a business owner to retarget website visitors who haven't made a purchase yet? In today's video, I'm going to talk about retargeting, what it is and how it works. So retargeting, as I mentioned earlier, is a way of reaching out to website visitors who haven't made a purchase or who hasn't signed up for a service yet. How do you do this? The first step is to, of course, install Metapixel on your website so that it can anonymously track people who are visiting your website, for how long are they visiting, what are the products that they have added to the cart and didn't purchase yet, and track all of these important data. The second thing is to use this data to build an audience or a database of people whom you can retarget. And this audience can then be segmented into various criteria like how long were they on the website, what are the products that they were checking out, what are the products that they have added to the cart, so on and so forth. Then comes the actual retargeting. So you will start running ads that are specifically for this particular group of people, and these ads will serve as reminders for users to go back to the website and complete that purchasing process. The beauty of retargeting is that you can personalize ads based on the online behavior that this particular group of people have shown in the past. You can also, as a business owner, control the timing and delivery of these ads so that you're not overwhelming people with one too many of them. For paid ad services, reach out to Neelunco today and let us help you scale your business.